Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheesy potato casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Copper Chef XL. Now you can do this in any pan, but if you're doing like a baking pan, you want to mix your ingredients in a bowl first, but we're just going to mix everything right in here. I'm going to start by putting a cup of milk in here. And this is a side dish, guys. There's no meat in it. If you'd want to add meat in it, you could very easily do that and make it a main dish, like a casserole, but just side dish. Now I'm going to put a cup of sour cream in here. And if you're lactose intolerant, which I am, but I should be able to handle this. I just can't handle eating ice cream and milk by itself. Drinking milk, I should say. I'm going to throw in two 10.5-ounce cans of cream of chicken soup. And that's my oven coming up to temperature. We're heating it up to 350 degrees for this. And Dexter's in there watching me. He isn't saying nothing, but he's just in there watching. He'll probably get in on the action later in the video. I guess he likes to watch to see if the video's worthwhile for him putting his 2 cents in on. Okay, there's my second can. And this is a really quick and fairly easy casserole. We're going to make some cube steak to go along with this. And some broccoli. So this is going to be a good Sunday meal. And it's cold out there, guys. It's going down to 26 degrees tonight. Alright, now I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter here. This is a little on the warm side. You could cool yours off if you like. And I'm going to add in black pepper and salt to taste. I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to go for about a teaspoon of salt. You can use a little less if you like. I'm going to add in about a half teaspoon of onion powder. Now you could also dice up a fresh onion and throw it in there if you like, about a quarter of a cup to a half a cup. But I'm taking the easy way today because I'm really not feeling well. I'm going to put a little bit of accent in here. This is optional. About a half a teaspoon. And I have a 30-ounce bag of shredded hash brown potatoes that I've thawed on the counter. We're going to do these thawed. I'm going to go ahead and throw them in there. Mix that in. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and stir this up quick and get it all well blended. Okay guys, now that this is all blended together, and that's what I like about the Copper Chef. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to dirty many dishes. So you can do everything in here because you don't need to spray with any cooking spray or anything. I'm going to add in some cheese. Now I'm using sharp cheddar shredded cheese. I'm going to go for about a cup to 2 cups. This is finely shredded. I think I'm going to throw 2 cups in here, guys, because like I always say, the more cheese, the more better. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 350 degree oven uncovered for 1 hour. And then this will be ready to roll. So I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing this up, get this in the oven, and when it's time to bring this out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my hour's up. I just pulled this out of the oven. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Sorry guys, unfortunately the end of the video didn't record right, but I also went ahead and made some cube steak and some broccoli to go with this. It was really cheesy and delicious. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.